Because the kids are always complaining. The kids. Oh, I don't like it. And then last time I made a waffle. I think I put too much baking powder. And then the taste is a little bit weird. They said, "Why your waffle is spicy?" Yes, sir, Sir Golden, yeah, maybe. Because when I put the mixture in the waffle maker, it takes 3 minutes only. That can do that if you mess it up. Oh, yeah, maybe. Yeah, that's annoying. That can do that if you mess it up. Yeah, even my boss, she said, yeah, the maybe the waffle maker is the problem. That's why. You have it on high, turn it down. No, I can't adjust. It's just like that. It's automatic. You can make it high, low, just like that. I can turn it down. Alauna na yata. Ano ating Winnie? Diyan ka pating Winnie. Oh, then you take it out sooner because it cooked too fast. Yes. And then the kid, they said, no, don't make it anymore. Don't make a waffle anymore, they said.